It seems that designers are responding to the high demand for inventions that are both useful and ecologically sensitive. And since today is Green Day for us, on the show, we're going to show you 10 of the coolest sustainable inventions according to 1millionwomen.com. And women are never wrong.
You're such a smart man.
Never.
All right, what's the first one up?
Like your shoes.
Oh,
Nice shoes.
do you?
Yeah, man, I like
And the
them.
new style thing with them have this front part, we will look at triangle. with
Pointy.
halfway too. But that's not one of the sustainable things that we're talking about. The first one is lamps to grow plants in windowless spaces. That's cool.
That's nice.
If it says you live or work in a windowless space but really want to have some leafy green friends to show and keep you company and help to purify your air, well, there are lamps that are designed by New Design Studios, New NUI, and that's a solution for you. It's completely self-sustaining. It's a whole ecosystem. The plants can grow undisturbed for years, plus they look cool. They really do look cool. I like that. I'd have that. Would you have that?
Yeah, I would. It's
like
a
that.
nice modern
That's
feel,
cool.
you know?
I
But
like
mine
it.
would look nothing like that. You ever see the thing that, you ever see a picture where it says what it looks like?
Are you old with a man then?
That's how mine would look. And the second one is succulent jewelry. All right. So when I read this first,
As in those things are alive and unmanaged?
when I read succulent jewelry, I thought it's something you could eat.
Something you could eat? Jesus, you're craving life.
Susan McClear is a florist and jeweler based in Michigan who combines her passion in these amazing living accessories. Wow. Her Etsy store features everything from rings to necklace, bracelets, and statement pieces. They can be worn for up to 6 weeks before succulents grow roots and need planting.
No, thank you.
What do you mean?
Things live in plants, guys,
Yeah,
no
yeah,
matter
man.
how
I
small.
like that. I like that.
They will crawl out and jump
Yeah,
on
man.
you and burrow into your ears and
I want to know
stuff.
how them store it. Like, after you take it off, where you do it?
Put nice sunlight, drip little water upon it.
Put in the fridge.
But not put in the fridge.
No, put it in the fridge.
I'm a neggy on that one. I'm a nerp.
I'll go with it.
Next one, pineapple fiber leather. Ananas, oh, there we see things with too many, like banana. Ananas, Anam, is a Philippines-based company that turns pineapple leaf fibers into environmentally friendly leather alternatives. The textile also provides new additional income for farmers, boosting the economies of developing communities and empowering individuals. So them say the leaf of the pineapple thing, like the top part, are we talking about the green part? Or are we talking about
skin?
the fluff part that
Or
come off?
the tree
The
part.
green part, the part that, yeah, the
leafy
part that
part.
come
Oh.
off the top. That's cool.
Say that weird, that?
That is definitely a yes for me.
But
Plus it have gold on it.
of course.
I know me and shiny stuff.
All right, number
So
4.
that's mine.
Shower that kicks you out when you're wasting water. You have to worry about that with me.
You not take long for me,
No.
no. You just watch the essentials.
Yeah, man, just in and out.
You are gross.
Like 3 minutes, let's just...
So what does it say?
In an increasingly drier world, all water consumption needs to be mindful and focused on ways to reduce our water footprint. This awesome shower curtain will stop you from ever overstaying your welcome again. The top has a sensor, and after 4 minutes of running water, the sensor triggers the inflation of the spikes via an air inflator.
Spikes?
4 minutes. See that?
No, I'm talking about the fact that it says spikes.
4 minutes.
So
I'm
that's
right.
how long you must be
I'm right
for
on
saving
par.
water.
4
So
minutes.
you don't have a bath. You don't ever pull up the tub and draw a bath.
Huh?
How many men in here draw a bath? Like draw
See-
the
you see them
bath
face
and
change?
sit
You see them
down
face
in
change?
it and...
See the face change?
No? Okay, y'all need to treat yourself to that sometimes. It's
I
pretty
mean, when I go... well,
you need that
no,
sometimes.
when I go to thing, they know them, yeah.
Oh, okay. This one though, the next one is a little weird for me. The straw turns dirty water into drinking water. The straw. I'm not sure I could do that one. Life Straw uses a hollow fiber membrane that doesn't require chemicals such as chlorine or iodine. Using high pressure upon sucking through the straw, the water is forced through the narrow fibers, trapping bacteria, protozoa, and other contaminants, and then it's flushed out by backwashing. First of all, the fact that you made me read the word backwashing while I'm trying to drink something is just gross. It removes 99.9999% waterborne bacteria. What a game changer for those living in poverty or people traveling in areas where water supply is polluted. Dude, if you are in a situation where this is how you live, I can see how this is going to be like the world's greatest invention for you. But there's a piece of me that says, suppose something is wrong with the straw. Suppose something goes wrong with the straw
diarrhea.
and you're
just
drinking
diarrhea.
it and it goes wrong and then, you know, you don't get all of the clean.
Why don't they bring these things to like developed countries? Let them try it. Bring them down and let them try it.
I was just about to ask why they don't throw the water to it, but then I explained that. It's explained that because they say you need the high pressure to be able to do it. I don't know if I could have used that. I guess if I needed it.
So I use the filters, I guess, like it's like the burrito filters with them. I guess, no? Yeah. Well, this is dirty water though. It's dirty water.
Well, I'm glad the invention came out because there are people who genuinely need it. And
I'm thankful I don't need it. All right, sustainable tent is number 6. A sustainable tent that collects rainwater, folds up for easy transport, and stores solar energy.
Wow.
This is the invention of Jordanian-Canadian architect, designer and artist Abil Shakili. These amazing multi-purpose tents were designed with refugees in mind, people who have been displaced by global and civil war, climate change, and more.
That's so cool.
Look at it.
That is so cool.
Like
elements of nature, it was inspired, so it has like elements from snake skin, inspiration.
Nomadic tent dwelling.
It's
so weatherproof,
cool.
strong but lightweight, and mobile. It gives refugees shelter, but also a chance to weave their lives back together.
That's a thumbs up for me.
I live in one.
That's cool.
Bring from Jamaica.
You know, yeah, they're broken at that quick time.
No, they're not broken at You asleep and you wake up and you fall asleep and you say, yes, so.
All of a sudden you feel some breeze that whops you.
And then no Christmas.
Okay, the next one is tiles for growing mini gardens. Swedish designer and thinker Caroline Bram has come up with some seriously snazzy tiles and pavers that can hold tiny pockets of greenery, significantly brightening up an urban space. The benefits of plants aren't just for the planet either. Did you know that pot plants indoor can help clean your air? Yes. Reduce pollution? Yes. And even improve your mood? Yes. I didn't know about the mood improvement part, but that's cool.
I mean, if it cleans your air and you start feel better when you...
Look at you theorizing. You feel like you're all smart today, don't you?
We know something. But it's according to 1 million women that comment.
Yeah.
Don't forget.
Right.
1 million women who
can't be wrong.
Cannot be wrong. Okay. Sustainable houses made from plastic bottles. This is one I wanted to get.
I saw this the other day.
These amazing houses are bulletproof, fireproof, and can withstand earthquakes. They also maintain a comfortable temperature, produce zero carbon emissions, and are powered by solar and methane gas from recycled waste.
So what do they do? Fill up the bottles?
Yeah, so by filling the bottles with sand, then binding them together with mud and cement, strong, solid walls are formed. They can be used to make homes up to 3 stories, using over 14,000 bottles. With over 3 million such bottles thrown away every day in Nigeria, and 130 million per day in the US, there's an abundance of building material available for these 50 buildings.
This is cool.
Yeah,
you know why? Because our oceans are suffering so much from the waste of plastic bottles. So if we can find a use for these millions of plastic bottles that we dispose of every single day, then most definitely we should. Do you not think so?
Wonder how much should I sell for? If I sell at Jamaica? Well, it depends on where you are. Yeah.
$9 million, Marvin.
Depends on where. If you buy it now,
they can't sell me that for $9 million.
Yeah, now the buy that is probably a couple 20 million.
So do they cover it with cement?
Yeah, no one.
They just leave the bottles there visually.
Oh, that's what you mean.
Yeah, I'm asking if like when them done, then encase it in cement, so that it's like a wall, or you just have the. Can we see the picture again?
Oh, the paste it. Was that cement?
No. They stick it together, but you still see the balls.
On the left. No, look at the left.
The bottles. You still see the bottom of the
look on that right, this one. No, next one. Straight up. Yeah. Up.
So you mean the column?
Yeah, man, the column.
Well, maybe that's just for pretty. That's for aesthetics. But so you see the buckle inside and stuff on the inside. I don't know if that's what about my eye. But I like the idea.
Yeah, 20
million. We can just cover it.
20 million for Beverly Hills. 20 million.
I like that idea.
25 million.
All right, we have 2 more. Vegua is Vegua, V-E-G-U-A, is a miniaturized aquaponics garden that looks like a cross between a fish bowl and a pot plant. So fish live in the transparent tank at the bottom. The waste produces bacteria, which is absorbed with the water into the rock mixture above the tank, and plants in the rock eat the sand and the bacteria, and that's what keeps the water clean. That's cool, but that looks like just like a self-sustainable little space.
Yeah, too much work that.
Yeah.
All right, the last one, hanging lamps that are also mini greenhouses.
Isn't that the same thing as the first one?
Yeah, in a sense. I can't call it fair there.
Christina
Pedrova is the woman behind the glass house lamp, a hanging light that aims to satisfy the desire for fresh herbs in the city kitchen.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's herbs.
Yeah, so it's not the
a
same
plant.
as the plant.
This
yeah.
is what you can actually live off of.
And you cook
Use
it
it
and
in
you
your
put it.
garden.
Yeah, you cook it in the kitchen and you just cut off a piece of herb on the street.
This is cool. I like that.
A
Guys,
million-
we should try some of these.
AMillionWomen.com. Can't be wrong.
We're gonna go for a break, guys. We'll be right back. It's so cool.